Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to record video call on iPhone. You can video call using any medium. For this video, I will go for Instagram. Now open your Instagram application. Now choose the friend that you want to video call. Now all you need to do is video call your friend. Tap on the video call icon at the top right. After your friend is on the video call, all you need to do is tap on the screen at the top. This kind of interface will appear and there you can see the option of screen recording at the bottom. You have to tap on that and the screen recording will start. And after you are done recording, you go through the same process and tap on the screen recording section. And after that, the video recording will be stopped. Now to check it, you can go to your album and see the video that you had screen recorded. And this is how you record a video call on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.